If you've seen ads for Thrd Store boasting huge discounts on top brands like Calvin Klein, Polo Ralph Lauren, or Guess, you're not alone. But before you buy, the big question is Thread legit or is it a fake or risky online clothing store? Let's break down the truth. So Thread Store represents itself as a trendy fashion retailer offering designer and premium brands at massive discounts, sometimes 70 to 90% off regular prices. It uses slick web design, limited time drops, and urgency to entice shoppers. But when discounts are that steep without official outlet partnerships, that's a sign to dig deeper before buying. Looking at independent customer feedback, the picture is mixed at best. Reviews on Trustpilot average around 3.2 out of 5 with both high praise and strong complaints. Some buyers say service was good, while others call the products fake feeling and customer service frustrating. Reddit and social forums reveal more concerning patterns. Multiple users report the products were fake copies or poor quality. Sizes and logos often don't match authentic brand standards, and attempts to return often result in store credit only rather than real refunds. These kind of mixed to negative grassroots experiences are big red flags. Some safety checkers show the domain has an SSL certificate and isn't outright malicious, but there are still concerns. The site hides ownership details and lacks transparent sourcing for supposed brand products. There's no official verification that premium brands partner with Thread Store, and return and refund policies are restrictive, often store credits only, which traps buyers. Legitimate brand outlets or authorized resellers typically show clear business details, verified reviews, and straightforward refunds, none of which are reliably present here. So is Thread.store real or fake? It's high risk and unverified. Thread Store does ship clothes, so it isn't a complete scam that never delivers, but many products appear fake, quality is inconsistent, and refund options are poor. The bottom line, if you want authentic designer clothes and reliable service, stick with established retailers or verified brand outlets. Thread Store's deals may look amazing, but the risk of poor quality or refund trouble far outweighs the savings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.